Homer unexpectedly becomes Springfield's safety inspector, badge gleaming, donut fingerprints marking his authority today somehow. Marge cautions him, while Bart and Lisa exchange skeptical glances at the chaos potential tonight. Main plot and subplot introduced, Springfield Elementary safety fair collides with Moe's Tavern renovation fiasco. Homer announces inspections, handing out checklists, while Principal Skinner suspiciously applauds, suspiciously approving everything today. In the first location, Krusty Burger, Homer inspects fries safety and grease tap etiquette today. Crowd gathers, kids, seniors, and Apu demand proper signage, while Homer conflates signs with donuts. Running gag introduction, Doe echoes, Lisa remarks, and Homer misreads a safety chart slogan repeatedly. Subplot brews, Marge funds a community safety workshop at Kwik-E-Mart, led by Ned Flanders today. Ned's earnest sermons clash with Moe's gruff humor, creating awkward but hopeful neighborhood participation tonight. Homer reappears, blunderingly instructing volunteers. He proclaims donuts qualify as vital safety incentives for all. Lisa notices the carrots of data, pushing for PPE demonstrations and climate-smart sprinklers around town. Bart orchestrates chaotic demonstrations, launching bubble wrap airbags, while Maggie tugs headphones, documenting safety failures quietly. Mr. Burnside's opportunity, offering easy compromises, while Smithers hides suspicious smile behind paperwork today. Chief Wiggum samples donuts during patrols, accidentally approving unsafe seats at the town hall today. Homer discovers a hidden sprinkler system, triggering accidental flood in Springfield Central Station during rush. The flood spills into Moe's, forcing patrons to improvise lifeboat shots with beer mugs tonight. Chaos erupts across town, Shelbyville crossovers, power outages, and pantomime safety speeches from Mayor Quimby. Homer negotiates with Mayor Quimby, trading safety badges for extra donuts, which Chief Wiggum relishes. Marge counsels Homer to remember compassion, turning chaos into community service, embracing neighbors like Selma. Lisa organizes a balanced panel at Springfield University, featuring Professor Frink, Reverend Lovejoy, and Ned. Homer stumbles into the panel, blurts safety slogans. Lisa gently guides him toward clarity today. Nightfall, the town hall parade rehearses. Homer leads a march with caution tape, chaos amplified. Climactic malfunction, sprinkler flood returns, power outage shuts screens, Maggie uses quiet starlight to calm. Resolution, community bands together, kids repair signage, elders share stories, Homer signs safety pledge proudly. Springfield General Store donates helmets, Mayor Quimby declares a day celebrating cooperative safety for all. Moe apologizes to patrons, offering free sober-up shots, which he oddly calls responsible refreshments tonight. Homer final inspection results, mostly safe, with does, laughs, and heartfelt community applause for all. The family gathers at the Simpson kitchen, Marge smiles, Lisa sighs, Bart grins mischievously together. Closing callback, Homer pockets pastry badge, burning toast gag echoes, audience chuckles, credits roll happily. Final note, Springfield builds strength through humor, hazard, heart, and Homer-inspired courageous safety for all.